What's going on, goats? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, oh my god, ooh, we are gonna be installing the Active AutoWerke Midpipe. Oh my god, you don't know how long I've been waiting for this. But the reason why I didn't do it before is because I didn't have a daily. And because I didn't have a daily, I didn't want the car to be too obnoxious. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna keep the stock exhaust on there until I got the daily. Y'all know we got the daily. Oh my god, yeah, we got the daily. So now we're gonna make the car even louder. Now, I do have to let you guys know this. The video that you're about to watch, it was recorded about 2 weeks ago. Now, the reason why I didn't finish the video is because I completely forgot. I don't know why. I literally just picked up my SD card, and when I went to go format the card, I realized that there was videos on there. So I was like, oh snap, I completely forgot that I recorded this video. So you know what? Let me finish the video for the viewers so you guys can see and hear how this Active Midpipe sounds. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, a lot of people talk about the S55 rasp, but I can't hear it. Now, maybe there's just something wrong with my ears, but this shit sounds amazing. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the 2 weeks prior to where we installed it, and then you guys are gonna meet me back here, and we're gonna do some sound clips. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I know y'all frauding, because if y'all skip this video just to hear how it sounds, you fucked up. You gotta support the channel, man. Come on, support the channel, watch the video all the way through, and then, you know, it's a little suspense. You're gonna be happy when you hear the exhaust sound. So watch that and meet me back right here. Yeah, right here. Nope, not there. Here, meet me right here. All right, so we got to the shop and we're about to drop the entire exhaust because it will be easier to do everything while the muffler is on the floor when it comes to cutting it and also clamping everything back. Then we're gonna put it all back in the car. So right now, the first job is to get the OEM exhaust off. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so I just want to show you guys our downpipes. I do got the BRSF downpipes. So valve that goes into the single exit, and then from the single exit it goes straight to the muffler right back there. Using the Harbor Freight cut tool to cut this shit. This shit actually works. It's just a lot of fucking arm muscle that you gotta put into that bitch. It's working. Now I know y'all gonna tell me it looked like a lot changed, but ain't shit changed. All I did was get a haircut. The exhaust is good. We just gotta bolt these together, the clamps. Yeah. We gotta put the clamps, tighten them, and then these clamps down here, we gotta tighten them as well. After I leave out of here, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what clamps you need to buy just in case you were in the same situation as me, where you were not able to get the hardware with the Midpipe, because I bought the Midpipe off the guy that sold Hunter his car, and he gave me no hardware at all, so I had to buy all the hardware. And also the bolts that I bought did not work at all, so I had to reuse the old bolts. I got new gaskets and new clamps, so pretty much that's all you need. All the links is gonna be down below, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it was online on Amazon. Everything came to like 30 bucks, and you already put, oh shit, this actually fits perfectly. Active AutoWerke told me that this wouldn't fit, this bar wouldn't fit with this exhaust. It looked like it fit to me. And these are the bolts that I bought that did not work at all. So Ah, see, that wasn't that bad, was it? I didn't let y'all wait that long. Come on now, that wasn't that long. But I appreciate y'all for meeting me back right here. So now we're gonna do the sound clips. Now, before I do the sound clips, I gotta let you guys know, when it comes to my cold start, I don't know why, I think I did something on my end in the boot mode 3 where I got my cold start turned off and I don't know how to turn it back on. But when I turn my car on, it's quiet as shit. Like, I'm gonna turn this, let me turn this white one right here on so you guys can hear the cold start. But yeah, that's neither here or there. It is what it is. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs with the exhaust closed. Then I'm gonna do it with the exhaust open in Sport Plus. So that's gonna be the full, like, burbles, exhaust open, the throatiest sound. It's everything. Sport Plus is crazy as shit. And then after that, I'm gonna do a couple flybys so you guys can hear the engine while it's opened up, or the exhaust while it's opened up, nevertheless. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. This shit, it sounds amazing. Amazing. Love it. But let's do it. Listen, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.